Welcome to Learning Technologies Summer Forum 2019. We're Unicorn, part of the Access Group. We're here today to showcase our world-class learning management system and our compliance tools to make admin's life a lot easier.
We're down here because we're in the learning market. We're looking to help learners with their health and safety compliance training. We can either export to SCORM or have our own LMS to provide, so well worth coming and have a chat.
We spend a lot of our time at events because it's a great way to find new customers, but also existing customers who come to discuss any of our content and look at effectively what our organisation is doing that's new and innovative. So we spend all of our time concentrating on content, and our partners like Unicorn can concentrate on actually the best learning platform availability.
How are you going to be able to match what it is that you're looking to do in the L&D space and get them to invest in the time and the resource and the funds that you need to actually be able to do what you need to do?